Ever notice your garden soil is hard, cracked, and water just runs off? That's not just dryness, it's a sign your soil is unhealthy. Dry, compacted soil repels water, much like a waterproof jacket. No matter how much you water, it won't soak in. Healthy soil acts like a sponge, absorbing and holding water for plant roots. When soil loses its structure, it can't breathe or support life. Over-tilling, leaving soil bare, and chemicals destroy the microbes and earthworms that keep soil healthy. Without these tiny helpers, soil collapses into a dense, lifeless mass. The solution isn't just more water, it's restoring life and structure to the earth. Reviving your soil means rebuilding its natural ecosystem. Let's see how to bring your garden back to life. Healthy soil teems with billions of microbes, bacteria, fungi and earthworms, all working together. These organisms break down organic matter, creating humus, which binds soil and forms that vital sponge-like structure. Mycorrhizal fungi partner with plant roots, extending their reach for water and nutrients. Earthworms aerate the soil and enrich it with nutrient-rich castings. When soil is dry and lifeless, this underground community is gone. Our job is to restore these living networks, not just add water. Feed the soil, and the microbes, fungi and worms will return. Nurture this ecosystem and your garden will thrive. Healthy soil is a living system. Let's help it heal. The first step to reviving soil is adding organic matter, compost. Compost is full of beneficial microbes that rebuild soil structure. Spread a 1–2 inch layer of compost on top of the soil. Don't dig it in. Let earthworms and rain pull nutrients down naturally. Next, cover with 2 to 4 inches of mulch. Wood chips, straw or leaves work well. Mulch protects soil from sun, keeps it moist and feeds microbes. Keep mulch away from plant stems to prevent rot. This simple layering mimics nature's way of building healthy soil. Compost and mulch together conserve water and restore life. It's the easiest, most powerful way to transform your garden. Let nature do the heavy lifting. Boost soil life with a homemade microbial drench, a probiotic for your garden. Mix chlorine-free water, a handful of compost and a spoonful of molasses in a bucket. Let it sit for 24 hours, then strain and dilute with more water. Pour this tea around your plants to introduce billions of beneficial microbes. Apply in the morning or evening every few weeks, especially after adding compost and mulch. This jump-starts the soil's natural healing. It's simple, cheap, and super effective. Help your soil's tiny workers get to work fast. Water slowly and deeply. Use a soaker hose or gentle trickle. Let water soak in over time, encouraging roots to grow deep and strong. Mulch helps water penetrate and prevents evaporation. Avoid digging or tilling. Let worms and microbes build soil structure. The no-dig method protects delicate underground networks. Be patient. Soil transformation takes a season or more. Over time, you'll see dark, crumbly, living soil and more earthworms. Your garden will hold moisture, resist drought, and burst with life. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Trust the process. Nature knows best.